When a surprise leak emerges just before a major tech event, it often sparks excitement and a little controversy. And this time, the latest last-minute revelation about Google's upcoming hardware lineup is no exception. The leak uncovers some intriguing details: a brand new 67-watt dual-port charger, a more affordable Pixelsnap stand, and slightly pricier protective cases. But here's where it gets interesting. Now, it seems the company is stepping up its game, offering a dual-port charger that could be a game changer for those needing faster, more flexible charging solutions. Most of us have seen 67W chargers before, but hearing that Google, known for its sleek, reliable hardware, will produce one in a snow color adds a sense of consistency and trustworthiness to the device. The pricing, listed at around 79 Canadian cents, roughly $57 USD, is somewhat steep, especially considering that, interestingly, this is slightly cheaper than the Pixel Stand 2 it appears to replace, offering a potentially attractive bundle for users eager for a versatile stand that also doubles as a charger. This could serve those who want a reliable hub for their Pixel devices without stretching their budget too far. But not all news is about discounts. Some aspects are catching price hikes instead. The new protective cases, which incorporate magnets for added functionality, are listed at Canada $69, around $50 US. This is a notable increase from the Canada $49, around $35 US price of the Pixel 9 cases, likely due to the inclusion of magnetic elements designed to enhance compatibility with accessories like the Pixelsnap. This raises a question for consumers. Are these extra features worth the extra cost? Does the magnetic insertion truly improve user convenience enough to justify the higher price? All these revelations paint a picture of an upcoming launch that's more than just incremental upgrades. It suggests Google is trying to refine and elevate its ecosystem, balancing affordability with added features and better accessories. But these details also spark debate. Will the higher prices, particularly for accessories, turn some customers away? Or will they be willing to pay a premium for seamless integration? As we gear up for the official unveiling, the big question remains: how will these new products stand out in a crowded market filled with competitive options? And do you think Google's price hikes are justified by the features and quality they promise? Share your thoughts. This kind of pricing strategy opens up plenty of room for discussion and varying opinions.